Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel The Learning Pen. So in this tutorial I am going to tell you about what is image file formats. So if you do like my videos, please click to the subscribe button. So what is actually a file format? So a file format is a way to store and organize your images. So when it comes to talking about image as a file, so how you store it, how you organize it, what is the extension that is used in the image, that is what we are talking about in image file formats. Now just open your gallery and try to see your images, properties, their details. There you can find out the local path. There you can find out the image pixels, what are they used, as well as the extension. The extension .jpg, it could be in the form of .png, it could be in the form of other things as well, other extensions as well. So image can be in the form of vector or in the form of raster. So I will tell you what is vector and what is raster in a while. It is an extension that tells our computer what to do, or that tells a computer that it is actually a image file, or it is actually a video file, it is actually a document, or it can be a audio file as well. So everything you see on paper, on online web images, you see on t-shirts, you see the sceneries in your room and the other things. So what are they? They are graphics. So these graphics are in the form of vector and in the form of raster, how they are stored, what technique you use to print them. I will tell you more in detail of this. Okay, so the major file formats that are mostly used are raster and vector file formats. So what are these file formats? Let me explain you. So the first one is raster file formats. Mostly what you see in web images, what you save your images in your gallery, or the most normal kind of, you can say, graphics image file format is the raster. And the examples of this could be JPG, it could be PSD, it could be TIFF, it could be EXIF, and so many. I will explain them in detail. So actually raster images are in the form of pixels or individual blocks of dots that are individually organized and then form an image of raster. Second is vector file. Vector file images, those images which are formed using geometric proportional mathematical equations behind it, and after making it, it makes it more clear and makes it more flexible to the user. So the examples of a vector image are PDF, the most commonly used, AI, which is also used, SVG images, and some other examples you can see later. Okay, so now we shall explain them all. First is JPEG or JPG. JPG is mostly the online images you see, mostly the images that are on your gallery. So simply these images that are normally used, these can be compressed as well. I can talk about data compression, these techniques later in a while in some other video. Okay, so a slight knowledge about what is compression is that compression means you are compressing your data. Compression means you're compressing your file, means the size of the file can be reduced. However, the quality matters, means the quality can be loosed or not, it depends. However, the size matters, means it can be reduced or it cannot be reduced. And now the second one, which is PNG, which is mostly used for clear quality of images, mostly in web and other applications as well. For printing and for other purposes, PNG is used. Second comes the GIF. You can see in social media a lot of applications where you can see the application of GIF file format. And GIF are also consist of some colors coordination, so that's why it is able to load a little bit faster as compared to other images file format, their extensions. Now the next comes, that is PSD, Photoshop document, the native file format of Adobe document. Adobe application that is used by most people for editing their images. So this is a native file format or extension, you can say, of Adobe document. Then comes Adobe Photoshop editor. Then comes the TIFF. TIFF are mostly used for printing your images on paper and other things, because it is clear type of file format. Okay, so the next comes vector image file format. So the first one is PDF. PDF, you know, the most commonly used. It was invented by Adobe application. And the And the second thing is that it is the most preferred way to send your graphics, to send your text, to send your document in to other devices. Now there comes the encapsulated post script. Here it is used by designers, to most preferred by designers, and it is actually used by CorelDRAW, or you can say Quark applications for printing. Okay, so this was a brief introduction about the image file formats, their usage, where they're used, and other things. And now in my next video I will tell more in detail about the data compression, the techniques that are used. And if you want some reference on image file formats, I will share a PPT with you also, so you can watch out that video as well. And if you like my videos, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials and knowledge related videos. Thank you.